Hello, today we're at Harlow Carr.
Yes, we've come to look at the Tropicana garden, and it's in the middle of September now and it's looking absolutely stunning.
One of your favourites.
It certainly is.
The Tropicana garden will transport you from Yorkshire to the tropics.
In 2020, the former foliage garden underwent an exciting transformation to become the Tropicana garden, bringing a touch of the exotic to Harlow Carr.
The garden is packed full of plants with a tropical look and takes inspiration from the dramatic planting schemes of Great Dixter.
Winding pathways are surrounded by immersive tropical style planting, and a heated greenhouse is home to the most tender plants.
The garden reaches its peak in late summer, when salvias, dahlias, gingers and cannas are in full bloom, and foliage plants such as banana and ricinus have reached dramatic proportions.